In today's video, I will show you how to switch account on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Discord's desktop application allows users to quickly switch between up to 5 different accounts rather than requiring them to log out and log back in each time they want to use a different account. For instance, if someone has a personal Discord account, an account they use for work, they can quickly switch between this account in the Discord desktop app using the account switcher feature. So how to do it? It's very simple. First of all, first you have to open our Discord. From here, if you want to switch your account, you don't need to log out. You can maybe go to settings and log out. You don't need to do that. So you can just select on your profile in here. Now you'll find there is an option switch account. You can select on that. If you haven't logged into your another account, you can select on manage account. You can log in into your account. And if you already log in into another account, you can just switch. Select on switch. So now you have switched your Discord account to your another account. It's very simple, right? And also like this, if you want to switch, select on switch account, select this. It's pretty simple, right? So that is how to switch Discord account on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.